Oh, hello, and welcome back to another amazing adventure. What are we going to do today? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this carrier unit with a new one, as this one doesn't work anymore. So, started dismantling it. There are still some good used parts in here that I can use for other projects. And this would make a great coupe ventilator. That'd make a good fan too. I'm wondering if I can run groundwater through that and use that as a geothermal unit in a greenhouse or something. I don't know. Gotta find out. So what I've done is I've already pulled the breakers off, but I've also pulled this out, and I'm going to start taking things apart. First thing I want to do is the four leads coming off the fan. Okay. So these, you can see black goes here. Take that off here. There's the black one. The brown one runs over to the output of the capacitor, and then the yellow one runs to the other side of the capacitor. You catching this? Okay. Okay. Now the fan is free. Hold on a second. See what we can do here. Hold down. Alright, go. That's a beautiful thing right there. And you look at what's holding this thing in place. Basically, these two 14-inch ducts in here, see, here, and here, and I'm trying to disconnect. Alright. Where were we? Okay, now you gotta get to these ducts need to come off. I also need to get the main power out. So let's go ahead and do that. What do we got coming in? We got the ground wire and two black wires. Interesting. Let me get some nippers. Hold on a second. Probably should have left more for myself for whatever this mess is, but it's just a mess. I don't like that at all. Alright, screwdriver. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to unscrew this. Now our wires are disconnected, right? Got the black and the green. Yeah, okay. Okay, hold on. Parts jar, hold on. Boop. Parts. And actually just put these parts back on so don't lose them. One of the things I noticed is the little water. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm looking at how these are attached. And like here, it's like, here's a screw, look, here's a screw. See screws down there and there. But it's all covered up in here. So I guess I just gotta start cutting this apart, Let me get a razor. Okay. Hold on a second. On your marks, get set. Alright, couple implements of destruction. Let's see what we got going on here. There's the stuff. Promising. Ooh. Alright, this might. You know, I think it's gonna be daddy. Oh, that'd be so cool. Wow, that'd be really cool. It just came off. Half an inch, just like. Let's cut it off again. Where does this go? Alright. Let me mess with this for a second. Okay, hold on. Oh boy. So, I need a new glove already. 14 down to 12. And a zip tie. I think it's that easy. Yeah, I literally just peeled it back. So, alright, well, hold on a second. Let me get something on here. Hold on. Bam. It's literally more duct tape and it's off. Rinse and repeat. See you in a minute. See you in part 2.